I'd like to call on outstanding intern, Stephanie Jane Benjamin.
Seize the day! Good morning, guys! Stephanie here, documenting life at 22. It's been so long since that intro. Today is the clinical graduation day! We've come to this day. We've come far. Sa ClinGrad, this is an event kung saan nire-recognize yung mga nakapagtapos ng internship, which is yung 4th years, and then hindi lang siya clinical graduation, white coat ceremony rin siya. So yung 3rd years namin, idadon sila ng white coat kasi eligible na sila for internship. Yun lang. I will document this day kasi this is one of the important days and the one I'm most anticipating. So, let's go. Let's do this. Go with me. So excited. Gusto ako maligo. I'm eating. Kasi after lunch yung event. Ano mga pinamili mo, ma?
Para sasig din ng tortilla.
Dawn! Look how perfect. Stephanie po. Apo. Wala ka na nakalimutan, ma? Ganda ang inang muna tayo ngayon. We're here na.
Well, special ka ate. Ano ka ba? Ang tatlo.
Parcel to.
Surprise!
Kami yung isa muna bago masimula yung clinical graduation. Alisa! Kuya Babon! Kuya Carol! The Chismis!
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa mga
Ito ang aking best friend, kaso ang layo niya.
She my nigga for a reason.
Hello! Sa-vlog ko to, sa-vlog ko to.
Dame un
Bakit wala pa?
Yes, yes, tama. Hi, ma'am. Ay, guys!
Dr. Margarita Gutierrez, RPH.
The core value has a mnemonic idea. And I'll use my hand, and you can use it as well as your mnemonic. So I, D, E, A, and L.
Productivity Excellence Award. Highest, Ms. Jella D. Versosa. E. Benjamin.
Picture 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smile.
Picture 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smile. You will be receiving 3 awards from Asian Hospital of Medicine. For the picture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Pascual Laboratories. We have one outstanding intern, Joanna May Lobos. And now we would like to call on outstanding intern, Stephanie Jane Benjamin. Recipient of this award is Stephanie Jane Benjamin for her excellent leadership abilities and commendable determination in inspiring and empowering her peers, having served as the president of the Institute of Pharmacy Student Council and Secretary General of the University Student Council. Her dedication to service and unwavering commitment to student welfare have left a lasting impact on the academic community. For picture 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. On Christopher Miraflor. Benjamin Stephanie Jane Boris. Lobos Joanna May Siervo. Condon Bacot Silver Awardee. Micaela Noel Villalobos, our PPHA gold medalist for class 2025. A big round of applause. For the refreshment.
Hey! It's a break na!
Around 3:20, please be back at 3:20.
Di wala na video. For the eat.
Busa Elson R. Next
You're the
one,
mother.
Haven or Heaven Elron C.
and reinforce a professional identity, a vital process in my education. Great, because your presence in the profession is greatly your purpose.
Hindi ko dapat tumamis. Umiiyak si Joanna. Hala. Elsen! Umiiyak. Umiiyak. Iyak kami sa'yo, Elsen. You should have been here.
Our experiences are valid kasi naranasan nito congratulations sa ating sa
Ano na, Joanna? Wala pa.
inspiration not only to us but our future artists out there. With lots of words.
Congratulations, Ate Kuya.
Hindi ako yun.
I hope to see you all again. There's this realization that someday we will not be in sadness.
Let us join hands as we warmly welcome our valedictorian speaker, the Heron PPH Gold Awardee, Miss Micaela Noel Lopez.
Domita!
You will be the one finishing it, whatever your pace may be. Keep going. You are not behind. You are on your own way. To my 1A, 2A, 3A, and 4A, thank you for the friendships we have built and the memories we created. This is Micaela Noel D. Lopez, Batch Valedictorian, wishing you a successful future. One take, 100% November 2025, page at your phone. Congratulations, everyone. Celebrate this win because we deserve it. That in all things, God may be glorified.
Hi, Mami Daddy! Magiging classical pharmacist ako this 2025.
Hello, family. Registered pharmacist ako this 2025.
Hi, Ma'am! May regulatory hospital pharmacist po ako this 2025.
Donna! Linda Dog!
For ceremony and recognition day.
Sama mo kami! Hala, nandun na sa Baguio ano. Ah! Sa bawat ay, clean ganda at white coat doon. We're going to eat. Where are we going to eat? Cookie. Mama. the buso. Happy graduation to me. Wish na ako. Love you. Kiss na ka ba? After everything, ngayon lang ako magpipicture. I got one medal because of the leadership award. Let us unbox the awards I got from Sir JB. Congratulations! Happy graduation! Sandos! Ito na ako nag-unbox habang nagkikintay ng Grab. Thank you po. Thank you, Sandos. Thank you, Sir JB. And, South Star. Nagulat ako sa outstanding intern ng South Star. Meron tayong ano to? Accolade, melatonin, Dove, Balda, Aura Hex, close up. Ano na ako? Sold na ako sa dorm ng review. And binigyan kami na Institute of Pharmacy. Mortar, guys. Mortar and my letter sa loob. Kalagay, may your hands bring healing. Your heart bring hope and your journey always be guided by compassion and integrity. Congratulations, batch 2025. Finally home in the streets of C5. Kapag may nakalimutan ka na naman. Wala akong nakalimutan. I'm ending the vlog na dilim naman. Just got home. Thank you sa pagsama sa vlog na to. And that's all. I've graduated na. Clinically graduated. My baccalaureate graduation is on August. And what more to expect? Siguro dorm review vlogs and I don't know. Basta, yun na kasi yung next agenda ko after finishing the clinical and internship era. So, I'm so excited and thankful for today. Ayan. Bye-bye!